a song about a crow. There are plenty of crows in Ireland, but this crow's from Finland. They have a different colour there. The boy watched the crow peck at the ground, tugging out a worm which it swallowed, then digging around, hunting for some more. He saw the grey feathers on the neck and back, the same grey as the seat of his patched pants, while the black patch on his right knee matched the black of the crow's main feathers. The boy's bare feet looked at the crow's claws. Should he go over and help it find worms? Should he run and take it up in his hands, then bring it back to the red houseboat to keep there, tied on a string as his pet, feeding it worms, speaking Finnish to it, teaching it to trust him and fly ahead, always returning to him, standing on deck, while his bearded father negotiated the locks, waiting for the water level to rise or fall, barely looking as the crow landed on the boy's shoulder with a call that earned it a stroke and a song that he'd made up about a crow